Hello, welcome to Fix Alt Tech. In this video, I will show you how you create a GitHub account. With the help of GitHub, you can store your programming progress and makeable for other, so that other can access your data and take advantages. If your progress is good, then you have many chances that you can achieve a free domain from GitHub and set up your profile in Readme. Now let's start it. Go to your browser and search GitHub. Here type your Gmail account. And click Sign Up. Now type your password and username as you want. Click on Continue. Here, solve the puzzle to take your own choice as visual or audio. Now verify your account by putting verification code that come on your Gmail. After it, log in your account by putting your credentials. As you can see, my account is successfully created, but it's not end. Now we set up our profile, create a professional repository and Readme file. For this, go to your browser and search Readme Creator. Here find this website and click on it. As you can see here, you enter your major details and a professional bio is automatically generated. First, enter your name. Now your country. Ask me about that, in which skill you are pro. Here you can enter your social media account details and your email address. Now check your skills, that in which programming language you get specialization. Now for front-end developers, back-end development, dev pose, testing, softwares, and many other. Now check those as you want. Here type your username as you keep on your GitHub account. Copy and paste it. Again, you can enter your social media account details. In add-ons, check all box. At the end, click on Generate Readme. Now, as you can see here, all the code is automatically generated that used to create a Readme. Click Copy Markdown. After it, go to GitHub and then Repository. Here, click on New. type your repository name. Click on Add a Readme. And after it, click on Creating Repository. Here, click on pen icon to edit. And paste the whole code that we generated. Now click on Commit Changes. After it, you can see we creating a professional repository and Readme where all the sections are successfully generated. In this way, you can easily create a GitHub account and create a pathway to success. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe this channel, share and like this video. Goodbye.